Hello and welcome to the next video. My name is Daniela and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing sparkling Easter egg. So here we go. So to make this egg we will need a styrofoam egg. This is about 10 centimeters in size. Then we will need some such decorative fabrics or papers. This one specifically is some synthetic leather. It looks like fabric on the other side here. I bought these big pieces at Action. It's a chain of thrift stores in Europe. Sometimes you can get here interesting pieces to craft with. And these are decorative color papers that I bought on AliExpress. They are kind of holographic. I think it's gonna look really nice. I have the same ones here in a smaller size. I will put the links where you can buy them in the video description as always, so you can take a look at it. But you can use any fabric or fancy paper, it doesn't matter. Then we will need a circle paper punch. Choose the size with respect to the size of your egg. I have a 10 centimeters egg and I chose a paper punch that has a diameter of about 1.5 centimeters. If I had a smaller egg, I would choose a smaller paper punch. This one's about 0.9 centimeters. Yes, so depending on the size of the egg. And we are gonna glue it all together with a hot glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the individual circles that will make up this egg. I'm gonna glue it around in a spiral like this. I'm going to take the back cover off completely because I need to cut the circles as close together as possible. I'm saving material. This glitter fabric is a little thicker, so I will see how it goes. How's the paper punch gonna handle it? It looks very nice, but it's very hard to cut. I'm going to show you here such a useful helper which I got. It's Cricut and I use it for projects like this. I can easily use it to cut out the precise circles I need very quickly. There's an incredible amount of things you can do with it, and I will definitely be talking about it in future videos. So I've prepared different colors from the darkest to the lightest, and now I'm gonna glue it all on the egg. This is the pointy side, this is the flatter side, so I will start on the flat bottom side, and I will start with this black color. I'm gonna get some glue here and I will glue it in the middle. And I will glue the other ones in a spiral like this. Now I'm gonna start making the transition. I'm gonna mix these glitter circles with the black ones. And we'll continue in this way until the end. And this is what the finished egg looks like. The making was very fast, so if you are still doing last-minute Easter decorations, I can only recommend it. It's definitely a lot quicker than my usual beaded eggs. If you want to check them out, you can see the link up here on the top right. If you like this tutorial, I would be glad if you subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss any new videos. Also, feel free to check my Patreon and membership here on YouTube if you are interested in some premium features. And that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye!